Welcome to Pankaj Institute's AMI Section A, the subject of Material Science and Engineering. Today is the third lecture of Material Science and Engineering. In the first lecture, we have already discussed metal and alloy and ceramics. And today we are discussing about polymer. So let's start with our topics polymers. So let's start with polymer definition. What is polymer? Polymer are very large molecules made when hundreds of monomers join together to form long chain. The word polymer comes from the Greek words. Poly means many and mer means parts. Polymer is used a synonym for plastics. All plastics are polymers, but not all polymers are plastic. There is one important thing. What is all plastics are polymers, but not all polymers are plastics. Or one most important poly. What is poly? A poly is a Greek word. Poly means many and mer mers means parts yani many parts. When many parts join together it's uh, when many parts join together to a form, it's also called polymers. Now discuss on types of polymers. So there are six types of polymers. Below mention all details. First is natural polymers, second is homopolymers, third is copolymers, and fourth is thermoplastic polymers, and next one is thermosets polymers, and next another long chain polymers. And next classification of polymers means classified of that polymers. On source based, there are three types of polymers. Natural polymers, it's also called biopolymers. Second one is semi synthetic polymers, and another one is synthetic polymers, it's also called man made. On classification of means based on structure based. On structure based one, first is linear polymers, second is branched polymers, and third is three dimensional polymers. Next one is repeating structure units means classification on best classified. One is repeating structural units. First is homopolymers and second is copolymers. In repeating structure there are two types. Best first what is first? First is homopolymers and second is copolymers. One. Now next one based on synthetic, yani polymers classified on synthetic base. First is additional polymers chain is also called chain growth polymers, and another is condensation polymers also called stop polymers. Now next based on molecule source. Molecule source means what kinds of polymers comes in this based on molecules: elastomers, fibers, thermoplastic, and another is thermosetting polymers. It's also called oriented polymers. This is the last classified means based on made of polymerization. First homopolymers and copolymers, it comes on based on mode of polymerizations. Second chain growth and stop growth, and another free radical polymerization, and another vinyl polymerizations. Now so let's start with definition. Natural polymers. Natural polymer is a polymer that result from only raw materials that are found in nature. Example: cotton, wood. What means what we get from nature? It's called natural polymers. Now next another one is homopolymers. So homopolymers are synthesized from a single type of monomers. Homopolymers are a consist of chain with identical bonding linkage to each monomer units. Now next another copolymers. So when two or more different monomers together to polymerize, they result called a copolymers. Now another thermoplastics, a type of plastic that can be softened by heat, hardened by cooling, and then softened by the heat over and over again. Thermoplastics are not cross-linked polymers. Example: polyethylene, nylon, polyvinyl chloride. Now comes on thermosets. Thermosets having the property of becoming permanently hard and rigid when heated. Thermosets are hard and rigid at room temperature and do not soften on heating. Example: epoxy resin, unsaturated polyester resin. Another one, long chain polymers, a very long strand of repeating molecules linked together by primarily. Now we're discuss about characteristics of polymers. So what characteristics of polymers? Low density, low coefficient of friction, good corrosion resistance, good mold ability, poor tensile strength, low mechanical properties, poor temperature resistance, can be produced transparent or different colors. Now we are discussing about application of polymers, means where are choosing polymers materials in medicine. Many biomaterials, especially heart valve replacement and blood vessel, are made up of polymers like Dacron, Teflon. Consumer science, plastic containers of all shapes and sizes are lightweight and economical, less expensive than more traditional container. In industry, automobile parts, pipes, tanks, packing material, adhesive are all polymers. Application used in industry market. In sports, playground equipments, golf clubs, swimming pools are protective helmets and produced from polymers. Polymers are very used in our life. Thank you showing my video, and please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.